Hi everybody, I am back for the second day in a row because I received my second Hobonichi order, and this one actually came from an Etsy shop because what I have in here are Hobonichi weeks that are part of the collaboration edition, and those are not sold through the Hobonichi website, so you have to find like a third-party seller for that kind of thing. So I've been having some issues with tracking information. Let me get this out here. Oh, so it's in another box. Make sure my address isn't on there. Okay, so I'm gonna tear this open really quick. Okay. Oh, they're under here. They're so cute. The reason I got these is because I journal to my kids, and I use really special Hobonichi weeks to do that. So yay! Oh, they're so cute. So there's two in here. Just gonna open the bag here. Okay, so I ordered from this shop. Let me see. Oh my goodness, they're adorable. So this is Pickles the Frog, and this is the Monchhichi. So I ordered from this seller on Etsy. It's the seller is called Stationery Station 515, and they actually had another shop on Etsy as well. It's by a different name. I will link everything below, but this shop operated just like the first one, and I had ordered from the first one last year. So I bought these, and what they do when they're ready to ship, they will actually message you with an actual photo of the item, have you okay it, and then they will ship it to you. But through Hobonichi and through this seller who is based in Japan, for some reason my tracking this year has stopped once it's hit the US. So my overseas packages come through New York, and once my tracking says New York, that's it. And then they just show up when they show up. So I will have the shipping times and everything for this shop in the description in case you want more info about that. So these were really expensive, I'm not gonna lie. I would not pay this amount. I mean, they were both like over $50 a piece, but I wouldn't pay that much if I was just going to use this as a planner. I say that, but you never know. But these are going to be for a very special purpose. So this is what I'm using right now. Yeah, so I have Pickles the Frog for 2019, and what I do is I write to my kids, and I write them like a little love note, or I write something that they accomplished that day, something funny that they said, or if they showed a really great characteristic, I will write that in there. So it's just a snippet of something that happened during that day, or just me saying like how much I love them. So I have one for each child, and I save these, obviously. I archive these, and the idea is once they are grown and have moved away from me, that I will give them a box of all of these journals that I've kept for them throughout their years growing up. And then whenever they feel alone or something, I'm hoping that these journals will help bring them some comfort and know that there's somebody out there, on their side that loves them unconditionally. So these are really special and really important to me. So I do not mind investing in the books that I'm going to use. And what I always try to do is I try to pick covers that I think represent my child the best, something that they're into. Just the smile on this Pickles the Frog. This particular kid does that. Let me get this open first. Okay, so you get the little comic thing with it too, which is adorable. the weeks that I got yesterday. Hold on, let me grab it. So this is the weeks that I got yesterday that I'm going to use for a personal project. I do not use the Hobonichi weeks for planning, but this is such a beautiful cover. It's called Strangers No More. So this is for me, for my own personal use, and it came with one of these as well. And I've already cut this up and used it as decor in my journal. This in particular I loved. I cut this out and put it in my B6 Slim notebook, and it just fit perfectly, and I love that as decoration. So it looks like I'm gonna have a couple more of these. So Pickles the Frog, and this particular kid also has a stuffed animal that looks like this. It isn't Pickles the Frog, but I was so thrilled when I saw that they came out with another edition for 2020, and I loved this one so much, and I knew that I was going to end up getting it again for this year, for this kid. So it is so adorable. I think I love the one for 2020 even better than this one. And yeah, they feel the same. So look at this. Oh my gosh. So this one had green writing with the Hobonichi, and it said Pickles the Frog on it with the little face. And I thought that was really adorable, that it was slightly different than your normal Hobonichi, which is usually this brown color. And I thought that was a cute little touch. But this one, they just like knocked it out of the park this year. There's a whole comic strip of this. It is so adorable. And let's see. The bookmarks are a green and a brown. For 2019, they were this blue and green. It looks like the same green, and they traded the blue for the brown bookmark. So cute. Oh, I got the freebie. So it comes with this stencil, and like so stinking cute. So did this one. This one had a stencil. It was a green stencil though, but it did not have the Pickles the Frog at the top like this, because it just makes it easy to keep on you. You could use it as a bookmark, and then he just sits up top like that. Like, so cute. This is adorable. I feel like they upped their game from last year. So I love this. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. So I'm so glad I ended up buying these again. So this is them like through the years. This was 2018, then 2019, and now I have 2020. The collection is growing. I wish I had started sooner, but it is what it is. I'm so glad I kind of found my groove with this. I will set this one aside. It has the exact same layout as a week's. It's just slightly different colors and way cooler end pages. So let's see what the Monchhichi has to offer. This is for this kid. This particular kid loves penguins. So for 2018, I got this penguin one, and I was so torn. I had already purchased this, and then I saw that Hobonichi released that baby penguin pattern, and I didn't know what to do. I was so drawn to that one. But in the end, I just told myself I had already bought this, so it was already a done deal. And I remembered that I already have one with a penguin on it, so I just moved past it. By the way, these leather covers are from Maker South. These stickers are from Eureka Art Studio, and I will have everything linked in the description. These monkey fists and bookmark are from Babette at Not Just Knots. So this is what I have for this kid, and I couldn't find one really for 2019 that seemed to fit well enough, so I picked this one because it had some pink in it, and pink is this kid's favorite color. But I'm so excited about this one. All right, so another one of the little comic strips. So this just reminds me of this kid and when she was a baby, and I had one of these dolls when I was little. Oh my God, it was so cute. So I think I still have it. I think it's buried in the back of a closet, but I just didn't feel like digging it out for this video. They're very shiny and smooth. There's no texture on them at all, and which is really unlike the Strangers No More. It has a really satin finish, and it has a texture. I don't know if it's gonna pick up at all, but it's got a little bit of a texture on it. So let's see. Oh my gosh, they are just killing it with these end pages, with these editions. Man, this is adorable. I can't read any of it, but still, I love that there's something interesting on the inside as well. Oh my goodness, I get another one. So this will do the same thing. So look at the end pages on this. It just says, it doesn't say Hobonichi, does it? It says Monchhichi. Like across, down. Huh. So there's a little face hidden there. And there's a little, where is it? There's a little bow right there. So cute. And then there's a little girl hidden in the words. It's so cute. Oh, there's another bow right here. So this is really cute. I am really, really pleased with this. Look at them sticking out. It's so adorable. So yeah, I'm really, really pleased with these purchases. So I have a gold and brown bookmarks in this one. Awesome. I love the tiny little details that they switch up that just make it a little more special, a little more interesting. And then you have the pink writing on there as well. So this is so cute. I am really excited to move into this. So this is it for this kid. I'm getting progressively more happy with this one in particular. Now I'm wondering if they're gonna do like a Pickles the Frog every year, because that would be cool to have a series of that. So I don't know. We'll just see. I always enjoy the releases and seeing what else is new and what collaboration editions come out. And I find myself gravitating more towards the collab editions for this particular purpose. So I'm really, really happy this year with the ones that I have. So that is that. I also wanted, before I go, to show this. I unboxed it yesterday, but I was so into this week's that I didn't even bother to open this up at all. Mostly because it's just really plain and simple. So you get a year at a glance. This is the A6 weekly supplement. So you get the year at a glance, and then you get 53 weeks of a vertical spread like this. And that's literally it. And then the last 5 pages are just these blank grid, like memo sheets. That's it. That's all. It's really simple and basic and super functional for what I need it for. And I use it in this setup to track medication dosages for someone. And this cover is also from Maker South. So these covers all from the same place, and love it. Love them all so much. I love this haul that I've gotten. So this is everything that I was expecting to receive now. I am going to order just one A6 day free when that comes around, I'll have to be really patient for that. And that is what I'll use for my planner. This is everything from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.